What up, people? It's Tech, and check it out. These are the XBT-80s from Riwbox. This box we're going to dive into. Well, kinda, because small disclaimer. These were sent over for an exchange for my honest review, so I've been using these for the last 4 days. So we're going to skip the unboxing, and I'm just going to show you what you get on the inside. Inside the box, you get your auxiliary cable, braided with inline controls. You get your USB charging cable with your warranty card and your user manual. But most importantly, you get the headphones. Now, I went with the black and gold. There are several other colors to choose from. Now, these are made of plastic, but still feel durable, with memory protein ear cushions, and the slider adjustments are stainless steel. On the inside of the cushions, you get your right, you get your left, and on the left side of the headphone is how you will operate these. You get your power button, your volume up, volume down, your play, your pause, and then you get your mode button. So the mode is this button right here. Now, of course, these can be used with Bluetooth, or these can be used with auxiliary cable. But also, when you've done watching 12 hours of straight Netflix and need a small screen break, you can load up your SD card full of your music, pop it in, leave your phone behind, and get outside for the limited amount we can right now. And then when you get back, you can even continue using these to get back on the next Netflix series you're watching. The battery life is pretty good. I've used them for about 8 hours, and they're still at around 30%. Netflix, YouTube, Audible, I've tested all of those out with no lag issues. The connection mode has been pretty decent for me, going up to about 35 feet. And the sound is pretty good. The volume, I can listen to music comfortably at around 80%. Podcasts, audio, and TV shows, I can listen to about 90%. But when I listen to music around 90%, I get a little bit of static and distortion. But I usually don't listen to my music above 80% anyway, so we're good. And with school starting back, I had a chance to test out the microphone for the kid on Zoom, Seesaw, Google Classroom. All of his teachers had no problem hearing him. He was able to interact with his classmates. And so these came in really clutch. And at $30, if you have more than one kid, these could be worth checking out. Put the kid on the tablet or the computer. Give them the headphones to block out the outside noise distraction. And they can focus on learning on these platforms. Now, there are a couple things that I would like to take note of. Now, these are not for audiophiles. But the mace might actually catch you off guard. It did for me anyways. I don't like that the controls are on the front of the headphones. So this is your left, this is your right. The controls are on the front facing you. You do get to learn them after a little bit of using them, but I feel like it's wasted space on the back of the headphones. That could have been something that they changed up, maybe even moved a couple of the controls to the right side. I do also think that the audio at higher levels could have been worked on, could have been a little bit better, but that's not bad either. If you have larger ears, these could end up sitting directly on your ears, and after a while that may become uncomfortable, but haven't even had them for a full week, so that may change with usage. And so I'm pretty sure that won't be a big issue either. But for $30, I definitely think these could be worth checking out. It's Tech. I'll check you on the next one. Later.